Good morning, children. How are you all? Children, we have seen about different commands like forward, backward, left turn, right turn, and home command and clear screen command in our previous video. And today we are going to learn about few more commands. Now, what is a command? What do we call for a command in MS Logo? Primitives, right? We call them as primitives. So we will be learning few more primitives available for us in Logo. So let us get started with it. Yes, let us resume. See what all we learned. We learned about forward command. I'll be using it. Where do I write it? In the commander window. I have to write in commander input box, right? Where it is? This is here. Can you see my mouse pointer? It is here. Yes. Now what will I write? Forward 100 steps. So my turtle went towards upward, correct? Now I want to clear this one. I don't want it forward, by mistake I've done it. What should I do it here? I have to clear the screen. So I have to erase everything. When I want to erase the things in my MS Logo screen, what am I supposed to use it? I have to use a command called clear the screen. So what am I supposed to write? Either I have to write full word clear screen or just CS. Let us try both the way. So I'm writing clear, SCREEN. CLEAR, SCREEN. So there is no space between clear and screen. It is just one single word and I'm just writing. Can you see here in the commander window, I've written clear screen. So whatever commands you keep writing over in your MS Logo will be visible for you in the command box, right? It will be here, visible here. Now again, let me try it. Forward 200, and I will use now the short form of clear screen, that is CS. So what I've written, can you see in the screen here? Only CS is being written. Yes, I'm writing CS only. CS, and I'll just do enter. See, it got clear. So my line went off. So whatever figure you draw it in your MS Logo, so it gets erased completely. Now let's talk about clear text. Clear text command is used to clear all the text in the command box inside commander window. See children, can you see here? Forward 100, clear screen, forward 200, CS, everything is visible in our commander window, right? In our commander window, in the commander box, all the text, whatever we have typed in, everything is visible, right? So what I want to do is, I want to do a fresh one. Okay, I want to do a fresh program. Fine. So I don't want these particular text to be available. So how should I see? I remove the program, I remove the image from the MSW logo screen. But how about this? Whatever I've written, I want to erase this also. How should I erase this text? By using the clear text command. By using the clear text command. For that, either you can just write clear text. See, can you see here the syntax for it is clear text or CT, clear text or CT. Either you can write full spelling or just CT. Now, let me write it here. I'm writing the full spelling now, clear text. So there is no space between clear and text. It's one single word, like how we use for clear screen. So I'll just see. When I did clear text, whatever I had written in commander box, everything got erased. Let me write one more. Forward this one, left turn 90 degree, then I'll go forward 100, again LT 90. Again, I'll go forward. I'm making a square over here. Again, LT 90, and I'll say forward 100. Yes. Now this is ready. I want to clear this one. I want to make a triangle now. So what I'll do, CS, clear the screen. My screen is gone. Now I want to make a triangle, right? So I don't want these commands should be here. Otherwise, I might get confused like which commands I have used it. If there is an error, I have to clear it, right? So I want to remove this one. How should I remove? Clear. So I'll use CT now. Instead of clear text full word, I'm using just CT. See, my image also got erased. My text also got erased over here. This is the use of clear text and clear screen command. Now pen up and pen down. Children, do you remember in our last class, I made an image wherein turtle moved up, but there was no line formed. If you remember, well and good. If not, let me explain you here again. Now, what do you mean by pen up? See, as I said you heard in the picture, this turtle is going with a pen, right? If you have to draw something, you have to have a pen or pencil in it, your hand and do the drawing. If your pen or pencil is little up, can you draw? No, the pen should touch the paper, then only the drawing will be visible, correct? If you hold the pen very up and it is not touching the paper, will the drawing happen? No, right? Try it out in your paper. Keep your pencil holding a little up, it should not touch the paper, and you try to draw. You will not be able to draw it. The same thing here. Sometimes what happens is, I want to start my picture from this a little above. I want to start my picture from a different space, or I might want to draw an image wherein I don't want some lines to appear. So in that case, I don't want the pen up. So there I can just go with the option called pen up. The logo turtle by default draws a line wherever it goes, correct? So wherever this turtle goes, it will by default draw a line. But sometimes we might want the turtle to move a particular position without drawing a line. Yes, sometimes we want this turtle to go to a different positions, but we don't want a line to be drawn there. In that case, we can use this primitive, this command called pen up. So that is, the command is PU. What is the command? Either pen up or PU. What it is? Pen up or PU. So in that case, what happens? The turtle will lift up the pen, and wherever it moves, the pen will not be visible. Let me try it. See, I'll just write forward 200. Yes, now I will say LT 90 degree. I went up. I want this particular, what do you say? I want to draw a railway track. Okay, I want to draw a railway track. So I want one line here, another line just perpendicular to it. Okay, parallel to it. Okay, I want a line parallel to it. So I have to, this particular turtle has to go forward, and when it goes forward like this, I don't want any line over here. Let me try. Now what I should do, I have to tell the turtle, make your pen up. Now don't draw anything. For that, what will I use? PEN, pen up. Can you see here? I am just highlighting it in the blue. Yes. Can you see at the down? Here it is pen up. I have written pen up. Now I have written pen up. Now what does turtle do? Turtle will take the pen up now. Now when this turtle will move forward, it will not draw any line because the pen is up. The turtle is holding the pen up. It is not touching the screen. So let me try. Go forward 100 degree. Can you see? Did it draw a line? No. The pen is up now. That's the reason it is going without drawing anything. This is the use of pen up. Now I want it to go down. Let me see again. LT 90 degree. See, now it went. But now I want a line here. How should I do? Now though, if it moves also, it will go. I will just show you. Forward 200. See, it went, but there was no line only. What should I do? Now, if I want this particular turtle to go back, what command I should use? Backward command, right? DK 200. So it went back again 200 steps back. Now I want a line. How should I do? Let us see that one also. Now when it did pen up, if you want to draw a line, it should do pen down, right? If you don't want to draw, it should be pen up. If you want to draw a line, it should say pen down. This command allows the turtle to draw lines again. It does not erase them after that. After the command PD, the short form of pen down is PD, is given, the turtle draws a line wherever it goes. Pen down command is generally given after the usage of PU. See, by default, turtle will be having pen down only. But some spaces where you don't want a line, you will use pen up. And when you want to have a line, you will do pen down. It is just an instruction. Now, what am I going to tell? If I want to draw a line to this one, what first thing what I have to tell? I have to tell the turtle, please make the pen down. So I am telling PNDOWN, pen down. Yes, now the turtle has kept the pen down now. Now if I make the turtle to go forward, it will make a line. Let me try. Forward 200. See, it made a line now. Yes, I hope you have understood this one. Pen up means lifting the pen, and when the turtle will go forward, it will not draw any line. And then if you want to draw the line back, if you want the line back again, you can use the command called pen down. Short form for pen up is PU and short form for pen down is PD. Now pen erase. This command helps the turtle to erase the line. The turtle is moved to the line which is to be removed. Then pen erase or pen PE command is typed. Finally, the appropriate forward or backward command is given. Imagine I have drawn this line. Oh, the distance between these two was less. I want the line to be little more far. So I have to erase this line, right? Correct. So how, if I have to erase this particular line, I have to have an eraser. So for that, what I have to write? Pen erase. Pen erase. So it is pen erase command. And I have now my turtle is ready with an eraser. Now tell which line is to be erased. Now I'll say go back. How much? 200 steps I have come. Let me see, just half line I'll erase. I'll just say back 100 steps. See, half line is erased. Can you see? Now the turtle, see children, whenever we are using pen up, pen down, pen erase, this is not a forward or backward command. It is just an instruction to keep the turtle ready with the tool. Pen up, lifting the pen, it will lift and it will wait for our next instruction. Pen down, it will keep the pen down. Whatever you say, sit down, stand up, like that. And then pen erase, it will be ready with an erase. Now you have to give an instruction which part has to be erased. Okay, so now again I'll go back 100 steps behind. See, now my full line has got erased. So if you want to erase this line also, you have to take the turtle here and then erase this particular line. Let me try. RT 90 degree. No, I will say again RT 90 degree, RT 90 degree, and I'll say forward 100 steps and then RT 90 degree. Now I will say here there were no line, that's why it couldn't erase anything. Now it has an eraser in his hand, right? There is no pen now. The turtle is having what? Can you see? Turtle is having eraser in its hand. It's not having a pen. So I will say forward 200. I'll just write it as forward 200. And this particular line also gets erased because it has erased. So whenever we want to erase anything, we are supposed to tell the turtle to use a pen eraser. Now I'll just write it as home. Yes. Now I want to go it forward. Oh my God, there's no line, but I have not written any pen up. Why it happened? Any guesses, children? As of now, what is in turtle's hand? It is just an eraser. Now we have to tell the eraser to use the pen back. So for that, what are we supposed to write? Pen down. Now eraser will go and now the Now we have told the turtle that use the pen down. Now if you say forward 100, see, it will, wait a minute. Sorry, we are supposed to use the pen paint command. What it is? Pen paint command. So when I say pen, P-A-I-T, paint, now my turtle is ready with the pen paint right now. We will see 100. See, now it is ready to do. Now I'll just say back home. See here, it has come. So what has happened now? What are the commands did we learn today? We have learned about, just a quick revision. We have learned about clear screen. It is to clear the screen wherever we have drawn something. And then whatever the commands which we have written in the commander window, it will be visible for us to clear those text. Whatever we have written, for that we have to use color CT command, that is clear text command. Then pen up, whenever you want to move the turtle from one place to another and you don't want a line over there, you have to use pen up. Then the turtle will lift up the pen and the whatever the next instructions which you give to the turtle, it will follow, but without drawing a line. So once you use the pen up, if you want to draw the line again, for that you have to make the pen down. For that you have to use the command called pen down. The syntax for it is PD, and then whatever instructions you give for the turtle to follow, either go forward or anywhere, left turn, right turn, it will follow, and then it will go with the line printed. And wherever if you have done any mistake, by mistake, if there is a line being printed which you didn't wanted, or you want to remove some portion, you want to erase some portion, for that you have to use the command called pen erase. First write it, then give the instructions to go forward, whichever line you want to erase it. So once you do pen erase, see when you do pen up, if you want the line back, you have to use pen down. For erasing, you use pen erase, but if you want to get the pen back in the hand, throw the eraser and bring the pen back. What command you are supposed to use? You are supposed to use pen paint. For that, you are supposed to use the command called pen paint or PPT. PPT is the short form syntax for pen paint command. See, pen paint command is used to bring the turtle back to the paint after using pen erase command, right? So for that, we use pen paint command. So hide turtle, show turtle, all these are few more commands we will be seeing in our next video. Please see the video again and again and do practice it in your houses, in your own computer systems, because practice makes man perfect, and this will help you to understand how our computer works on our instruction. It is a form of coding. So please do practice at your houses. So the next portion we will be seeing in our next video. Until then, bye-bye.